Hi, welcome to this video on using the if function. In our previous video, we had looked at using absolute cell referencing, and in today's video, we'll be looking at this simple shopping list and using the if function to do a check to see if we are overspending. So first thing we need to have for any function in Excel is the equal sign. So we go ahead and enter the equal sign followed by the word if followed by open bracket. And the logical test that we're going to be doing here, if you can see, Excel is giving you a little help. So we have if followed by a logical test followed by value if true followed by value if false. So the first thing we're going to do is to do a check. So the first value that we're checking here for the totals is the total for milk, and that is found in the cell F5. So we can go ahead and say if F5 is greater than, let's say $1,000 is our budget and we don't really want to go over that. So if F5 is greater than 1,000, then we can say we have a comma there and we have in quotation, yes, we're overspending. Okay, and that's our value if true, and we can go ahead separate our value false here by a comma, and we're gonna have no. So in other words, what we're saying is that if the value we have for total here in this column started with the value for milk in F5 is greater than 1,000, then yes, we're overspending. Okay, that's the question we're asking here. Are we overspending? Yes. If it's over 1,000, yes. If not, then no. Alright, so we go ahead and we close bracket, enter, press the enter key, and yeah, we notice that our first answer here, or response, is actually no. Okay, for that is for milk. Okay, that's just $55. If we should copy this down to the other cells, which I'm attempting to do here using your fill handle, okay, we realize that, or we should realize, alright, my mouse is not working with me here. Alright, so we should realize that for the final item that we have here, chicken, that we are overspending. So it means that we need to cut back on chicken, right? So I hope that this is very helpful for you, and you can go ahead and create your own if functions in Microsoft Excel. And please remember to subscribe to my channel, to like this video if it helped you, and also to make a comment. Thank you very much for watching.